Okay, let's take a look at 23. So 23 is minus x minus 8y equals negative 7, and on the bottom we have 2x plus 8y equals 6. So if I'm solving this system of equations, elimination is probably the best method, because if I add the two, I get x, the negative 8y and the 8y cancel out, so I get x equals negative 1. Take this value of x equals negative 1, plug it into whatever equation you want to. I'm actually going to plug it in to the one above it, so I'm going to get 2 times negative 1 plus 8y equals 6. I'm going to solve this. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2 plus 8y equals 6. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. Get 8y equals 8. And so y becomes 1. So x is negative 1. Y is 1. Negative 1 and 1. C is my answer. Hopefully that makes sense, guys. Also here, real important, if you, again, you have these x and y points, you can take negative 1 and 1, and if you didn't know anything else, you could have just plugged it into both equations to solve. So this is, I personally think this is another question that you really shouldn't solve. Like, so for example, you shouldn't miss. So like, for example, answer choice B is silly, because if I make x 0 and y 0, I get 0 equals negative 7, which is clearly not correct, right? So clearly B is going to be incorrect. Okay, so really, if you get stuck, just plug in the answer, the ordered pairs into x and y, and see which one gives you the answer. All right, hopefully that makes sense. See you next video.